How to make Game Pass in Please Donate on mobile. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new Game Pass for your Roblox experience. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Roblox app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, the next step is to actually head over to the More section at the bottom right corner. And then from here you'll see an option called Create. Just tap on it. Now a browser version will open up on your Roblox. So what you need to do here is you'll find your experiences right here. Each and every player has his own experience. So you can just go ahead and tap on the experience option. And if your experience is not public, you can tap on the three lines right beside your experience to make it public. So just tap on it. Now where it says make private on mine, you should see the option to make it public if that is private. Now once you have done that, you can just go ahead and open up the experience. Once landed on your experience page, tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now from there, if you scroll down, you'll get the monetization section. Just tap on it and then head over to passes. Now from here, you're going to have an option to create a pass. As you can see, I've already created certain game passes for this. I'm just going to create a new one. So simply tap on create a pass. Now, Roblox automatically will give you a default image for your pass. If you want, you can change it and upload it yourself as well. I'm going to name it something like please donate pass. And then here on description, you could add any kind of short description if you want. Then simply click on create pass. Now it will create your pass. As you can see, the pass has been created. Now the next step is to again tap on the three lines at the top left. And then from here, you're going to have to head over to the sales option. So let me just go ahead and open up my pass, which is this right here that I've just created. And then tap on the three lines. Then head over to sales. Now you need to make sure to turn on this item for sale. Now you can enter the price. Be sure to enter a valid price because Roblox will take 30% of it and the creator will get 70% off the price for the pass. Tap on save changes, tap on proceed, and now the pass will be updated successfully. So as you can see, I've priced at 60 Robux. Now if I go back and then go back again, here on the create section, I have various passes under my creation. This please donate pass is the one that I've just created. Now if someone visits my experience, they will have an option to purchase this pass. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.